We got Joe Mar. We got Sangeet. We got JP. Oh man, I missed Ernest. It's a shame he got swallowed up by his wife. Ah,
Wait, what happened?
another one bites the dust.
Oh, he quit?
No, I don't know. I think his wife just swallowed him whole. I think his honeymoon was actually them just running away forever. I don't know. I mean, it's been more than 10 days. Like, the dude's just been off the map. He hasn't been like even online on Discord since then. So, and he definitely wouldn't just jump ship without saying anything.
Right.
So I think they just extended their vacation even longer. So yeah, we'll get him back one of these days. Gautam. Nice to have Gautam here. Okay, so Manan, we're gonna have Wasim join us at the end. I don't want him to sit through all the Scrum stuff. So Malika already gave us her update. She's gonna come back for alternative Scrum tonight to update Maxim on the ISO country data list for the website. And Maxim is sort of just sitting tight, waiting for either website PRs to be up to date or waiting for TernKey to be ready to be safe to work on. I told him to just avoid touching TernKey for now, Adrian, because Maxim was just going to work on breakpoints for TernKey and just some responsiveness stuff. But because it's being worked on, I don't want anybody to touch it. And so Ashutosh, can you talk about this? We'll save Arch for after Scrum concludes. But can you tell us about this? Because this has been on here for a minute that you haven't brought up yet.
The long-term idea?
For sessions.
The long-term goal would be to have a separate server for session management, but that is when we have servers set up for multiple regions for load balancing.
Oh, okay. All right. Well,
right now, since we have a single server for the backend, I think the current implementation suffices.
Yeah, no, that's for that is definitely for down the line.
And that's when we scale up.
I mean, just randomly put that out here somewhere. Okay. And well, let's get your update first, Adrian. So how's TernKey doing?
TernKey has cores issues on GCP that I'm waiting on Wasim to update us on. There's also errors on the build for TernKey for the develop branch. So what I'm still waiting on a couple of things from developers to check on to see what if we can resolve them, because I believe we went through a couple of weeks without building the application, so we're getting a lot of warnings and errors on Husky. So that's what I'm waiting on. And then personally for me, I'm waiting. I'm gonna work on the compile button, which is going to be today.
Okay. Well, who were you waiting on specifically?
Well, I think me and Sangeet were talking about those errors, and also JP was made some PR requests for some of the stuff that he saw. So those ones I'm gonna approve today, so that we can have at least some of those errors out of the way.
Okay. And Manan and I will be talking with Wasim after this. So you can stay on as well, Adrian, and then talk to Wasim what you have to discuss with cores. Okay. So still pending on that. And Sangeet, so what's your update for us?
Yeah, I'm still working on that errors.
Yep.
It might be finished, wrapped up by this week, I guess. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, I'm just hoping for that.
Okay. Yep. Hopefully we can get a lot done today with those errors. And Jomar, what's your update for us?
So for the day, I started with task number 13. I'm done checking its UI, but when I try to integrate it, I actually encountered the course errors. So I think for today or for later, I will start with a new task until it's fixed.
Okay. So which one were you on? You were on 13?
Yeah, I'm on 13.
Okay. So we'll have that done today. And JP, what's your update for us?
So yesterday I worked with Maxim's PR regarding the breakpoints on the website and some and I was PR for TernKey for some minor bug fixes. For today I'll probably work on UI on TernKey and make the make prioritize of the PRs of Maxim after he make resolve the conflicts for the PRs.
Understood. Okay. And when you say UI, JP, are you talking about this?
No sir. For that one I just need to prioritize the merge of the PRs of Maxim before I will make a pull request for that one. But it is already I already tested it and it's working. The saving of phone numbers.
Understood. Okay. And Manan, how are you doing on the? I know you were preparing like the some function integration for Maxim, right? Is he ready
Yeah,
or what?
I'll
Or are you
complete
ready
that
for him?
functions today, so most probably he can work tomorrow on it.
Understood. Okay. And Gautam and Kerman, you got some. I wanted to reserve this time for you two to go over the test automation pipeline for repositories, and just Gautam what you need from Kerman, and Kerman what you'll need from Gautam.
Okay. I'll be available after this meeting for Gautam to solve those.
Yep. And Kerman, that issue with the Arch pipeline, that's actually not an issue. It's what we expect. So we're going to make it so that
Yeah.
Ashutosh and Manan are able to push as much as they want until January 6th. January 6th, we are going to want to change that and implement an actual pipeline thing. So we're good until Monday. Monday we can actually make that change. So we're good
Okay.
on that now.
Okay.
But Kerman and Gautam, could you guys hop into another call to get that testing automation set up?
Sure, Gary.
Yeah. Gautam, if you could just invite Kerman to another Google Meet, because we're gonna wrap up Scrum here.
Mhm.
So yeah, we'd love to have our goals be to get TernKey back up and running properly by the end of today, hopefully, and have the website function integrations be done by tomorrow. I don't see why we wouldn't be able to do that. Maybe we would still have pull requests that need to be done. And then fixing function bugs the next day. Would everyone show up? We'll see. But those are the goals for the week. I'd say suppose we can call Sunday end of the week and say that the 5th is a good time to get that done. No, I guess Saturday is the end of the week. It's weird. Okay, well that's good for everyone. That's Scrum. Anybody else have any comments about TernKey? Want to get in? And if not, that's good for Scrum. Just Ashutosh, Adrian, and Manan. You guys can stay behind, and everyone else, you're good to go. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right, thanks, guys. Talk later.